Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, October 4th. The Zen story for today is titled The Wrong Scroll. The scroll wasn't hidden. That was the clever part. It sat plainly on a low table in the corner of the Hermitage Library, unguarded but humming with menace. A single strip of paper hung from its edge, handwritten in red ink. Do not read. Naturally, the monkey grabbed it. Maybe it's reverse psychology, he whispered. Maybe it's meant for me. The monk was already seated in the corner, eyes half closed, pretending not to notice. The monkey unrolled the first foot of parchment, then another, page after page. No spells, no secrets, just one word. Now, over and over. Sometimes in tiny calligraphy, sometimes scrolled, sometimes upside down, sometimes mirrored. Now the monkey read. Now. His voice grew frantic, his eyes widened. No. He gasped. His breath caught somewhere between his ribs and his ambition. Then he collapsed backwards onto a straw mat, arms splayed like fallen punctuation. The monk walked over quietly and rolled up the scroll. He placed it back on the table, then sat beside the monkey, who lay blinking at the ceiling. After a long silence, the monkey whispered, "I've become time itself." The monk raised an eyebrow. "I mean," the monkey added, "at least a very loud second." The monk chuckled. Outside, a bird called once. Now. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body and arrive into stillness. Close your eyes if you'd like, and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here, now. Thoughts may come, let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. If every moment is now, why do we keep chasing the next one? If every moment is now, why do we keep chasing the next one? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. If every moment is now, why do we keep chasing the next one? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.